take a look at my chicken. Wait, it's hiding. It doesn't even want to see me, bro. See it. Chicken. So I adopted like this guy. There's 7 chickens that are painted. I mean, this can does not come out though. I tried like showering, but it does not come out. Yeah, he's just sleeping. I don't know. I don't have cage yet though. I have a good one. I have cage. I mean, we have a cage, but it's not well. It's dead for a baby chicken. So yeah.